Welcome! In this video, we'll walk you through the updated steps to add an existing group to a WhatsApp community. Whether you're managing a community or just exploring its features, this guide will make the process quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your device. Make sure it's updated to the latest version to access the community's feature. Once inside, look at the bottom of your screen and tap on the Communities tab. This is where all your community management tools are located. Next, select the community where you want to add an existing group. Scroll through your list of communities and tap on the one you're managing or wish to modify. Once inside, you'll see various options for managing groups within that community. Now, tap on Add Group. You'll be presented with two choices: creating a new group or adding an existing one. For this tutorial, choose Add Existing Groups. This option allows you to integrate a group that you're already an admin of into your community. After selecting Add Existing Groups, WhatsApp will display a list of groups that you manage. Browse through the list and select the group you'd like to add to your community. Once chosen, tap Next to proceed. Finally, confirm your action by tapping Add to Community. The group will now be successfully linked to your chosen community. Members of the group can start participating in discussions and activities within the larger community framework. And that's it. You've successfully added an existing group to your WhatsApp community. With this feature, you can streamline communication and bring multiple groups together under one umbrella for better collaboration. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and share this video with others who might benefit from it. Subscribe for more tips and tricks on managing WhatsApp communities effectively. Thanks for watching, and happy connecting.